Welcome back, everyone. Been waiting a long time for this character as a special request from my best buddy, Tyler Needham. In this video, we're going to draw Oshawott from Pokemon Black and White. He's a starter Pokemon and one of Ash's old buddies. And of course, he's a water type. Of course, Ty created a reference character based on him. His name is Surfing. Alexa, play it again. And well, best part about Surfing is that, well, he's got new powers. And well, Oshawott's signature move is Razor Shell. And well, he knows Water Gun, Hydro Pump. And well, during Pokemon battles, he's always first in line to be in battle, even though he turns tail like a coward. And well, he always gets love struck. Okay, forget I ever said that. Especially when he had this thing for Meloetta. And especially for that Oshawott princess. Alexa, play it again.
I'll repeat the
now let's get started on finishing his head. There's Oshawott's head. The reason why Oshawott didn't really evolve in the series is, well, the animators thought it would be a great idea. They thought it would be a funny idea to make him a shy comic relief. That is so messed up. I mean, Oshawott should evolve in this series. And, well, he could have been that way then, and not like this. Come on, Pokemon creators. Get it right. Anyways, there's the Razor Shell on his belly, his stomach. This Razor Shell is actually called a Scalchop. As it evolves, the Scalchop divides, and then later, it becomes actual swords. Remember do you remember my Samurott video, right? Well, Oshawott is going to be a great warrior back one day. I hope he does soon. I'm still waiting for that to happen. Welcome. I wonder if he was paired up with Snivy, Patamon, and Gatomon. That'd be a funny story to remember. Anyways, even toilet humor. Especially with the back and stuff. Okay, that's how you draw Oshawott. Pretty fast, huh? Anyways, what's your favorite starter Pokemon? Please leave a comment below. And, well, please like, remark, and subscribe to my channel. Based on your comments below, I will draw you guys what character you want me to draw next, based on what comments you guys want me to do. Anyways, I'll see you guys again soon. Stegosaurus, see you later.